One of the things that sets LSS E64 apart from other systems is its reporting capabilities. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you just one of the standard reports included in the system and how it can be used as a powerful management tool for your law firm. What we're looking at here is the request screen for the LSS E64 Productivity Report. On the Selection tab, we're able to choose what level of detail to include on this report. I've picked Client Level and Matter Level Detail. Then there's a place here where we can put in a date range. I've selected all of 2015. And then down below are boxes where you can limit the report results to a single client or matter, a timekeeper, contact attorney, and so on. I've selected just a single client number to keep the report short for this demonstration. On the Format tab, this is where we can customize the report to include the type of information that we're interested in seeing. I've set this one up in advance so that the first column shows value of hours billed, the second column fees actually billed, and so forth. But each of these columns, there's a drop down where you can choose from up to 50 different types of data to be included on that column. And then over on the right, you get to choose what to print in the column heading. Different firms have different naming conventions for different types of data, so we leave that naming up to you. Once you've taken the time to fill out your report request, you can now save it so that it can be reused later without having to recreate all of these column definitions. Simply click the Add Named Report button at the top of the screen, and we'll give it a name, My Test Report, Fees billed and collected, and we want it to automatically populate the date range for the system year, and click Save. So we see here in our report list now this My Test Report, Fees billed and collected. We simply double click on that and our report request opens with all of the information filled out for us, and you simply have to click Generate Report and the report appears on your screen. Let's take a closer look at this report request that we created. Over on the Format tab, the ability to choose for yourself which information is to appear in which column is really significant. LSS provides 50 different types of data that you can choose from. It ranges from everything like billable hours worked, non-billable hours worked, effective rates, billings, deviations. Down below you'll see options for collections, collection realizations. There are, like I said, 50 different types of data that you can include in each column. You can format the report to include up to 12 different columns of information, and with these options you literally have the ability to generate 120 billion different combinations of report data, and like I said, that's very significant. Another feature of this productivity report is the ability to work with two different date ranges for your data. So for example, if we want to look at billings last month and compare that to collections this month, down in the collection columns I can choose date range 2. Then over on the Selection tab we can put in a second date range. So for example, we could run this report for June billings and July collections, just like that. Now, so far we've just been working with a simple report showing client matter totals for billings and collections. But if you really need to get down and start managing practice groups and referral sources and that sort of thing, over on the Sort Order tab, this is where you can group your information by any number of ways. We can sort this report by timekeeper, responsible attorney, contact attorney, originating attorney, referral source, the department of the matter, department of the timekeeper, and so on. So for example, let's say we wanted to analyze billings and collections by contact attorney. we could choose contact attorney for sort level 1. We'll get a page break between each contact attorney. And then let's say we wanted to further group this by referral source. We'll choose that for sort level 3. And then within referral source, maybe we want to break it down even further by the practice group or the matter level department. So we actually have 5 high-level sort options available, and each of those sort options have 19 different choices. So in total, if you were to take full advantage of all 5 sort levels, there are over 11,000 different combinations of ways that you can group and organize this report. And remember, like I showed you earlier, anytime you've created a report definition after you've picked your sort options and your different column selections, you simply click on Add Named Report and you can save this for future use. So there's just a couple more things I want to show you. I'm going to go back to the test report that we created earlier and run it again. When a report appears on your screen, you can then print it to the printer if you need a hard paper copy. But there's also a Save button here where you can save this report in a number of formats. So you can save it as a PDF, an Excel workbook, or a Word file, for example. Or with just one click, up here at the top is an Email as PDF button. You click that, you can give the name of the attachment that will be included with the email, and then you can send it on to a user within your firm or to a client or matter of your choice. So during this short demonstration, I hope you've seen that LSS E64 reporting is extremely flexible, very simple to use, and of course we're always here to help you create these reports and save them so that literally whenever you need to run them, it's just a couple of clicks and everything is generated for you automatically. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short demonstration. If you have any questions or would like any more information about LSS E64 and its reporting capabilities, feel free to give us a call and check us out on our website. Our contact information is displayed here for you. Our number is 800-331-4122, and our website is lsse64.com. Thanks again.